Welcome to Champaign Ford City. This is Todd Barrowman bringing you one of our latest builds. This is actually a pre-owned truck. It's a 2018 four-wheel drive XLT Special Edition. And then we went ahead and did our Belltech suspension, dropping it 2 inches in the front, 4 in the rear. We've added 22-inch black Rhino wheels with some Toyo Proxy ST3 tires. And we've got the MBRP side exit exhaust. Since this one is a super cab, we're able to put a resonator in there so it's not quite as loud in normal driving. Wide open throttle still sounds really good and aggressive. We swapped out the blue ovals that are normally in the front grille and tailgate and put in the new Ford accessories black ones. Special edition has the black and red XLT badges on the side. Comes with a hood graphic, which is kind of hard to see. It's a matte black stripe with another accent stripe around it. And then you've kind of got a hockey, like a checkered stripe down the side. It's really hard to see unless the light's on it just right. And we'll open up the interior and let you see the other parts of the special edition that make it unique. Obviously, they just come with a nice grille. And there's those black Rhino wheels you guys know us to use. Truck has a drop-in bed liner, tailgate step as well. It was, like I said, it was a four-wheel drive truck, so before we lowered it, it was sitting up a little higher, and tailgate step comes in handy. Don't necessarily need it now. Blind spot monitors, and let's take a look at that interior. So the XLT Special Edition comes with black fabric with red stitching and the sport embroidered in there. Back seats have the same treatment. And this is a 302A, so this is a top of the line XLT. Even the shifter has, you can see that red stitching, same with the boot. This truck's gonna have heated seats, navigation, top of the line sound system, power seat, power locks, windows, mirrors. You've got adjustable pedals, spotlights for the mirrors. You've got your drive mode switch down here. This is a 10-speed, so there's several drive modes. You can actually put it in manual mode, which would be M, and then on here at the side of the shifters, your plus and minus, where you can manually shift it if you like. This truck even has a moonroof. Now, it's not the twin panel you see in the crew cabs. This is just a regular power sunroof. The roof's not big enough to put a twin panel in, since it's just a super cab. And if you're not familiar with these have a door handle right here. Opens right up. Got a really tough sun angle, I apologize for that. Plenty of room for adults back here. Got nice all-weather mats down. Even the seat belts have a special treatment from the factory with the red accents. So the black and red theme really goes well. We actually debadged the normally it'd say sport across here. This is set up like one of our earthquakes, and we can get earthquake decals if you choose to want those. This truck's only $42,997. It's got like 28,000 miles. A lot of equipment for the money. It's kind of a rare truck to begin with anyway. I think this one turned out really well. It's got a nice stance to it. Not quite level, just sits up a little higher in the rear, but not much. Kind of gives it that nice aggressive look. All right, well, thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for our next video. Take care.